Hi, everybody, in ESL 192. For your first assignment, you're going to watch this video on YouTube. Here's the link. It's up here in the browser. It's called Learning Language by Grace Kim, Shinyoung Grace Kim. The video is relatively short, but it does contain a lot of information. You may need to listen to this video about 3 or 4 times. Okay, I mean, you could access the transcript, but I really wouldn't do that. I would, if I were you guys, I would want to work on my listening skills. It's so important when you learn to write to also learn to listen. They all work together: listening, writing, speaking. So take your time to listen 3 or 4 times. It's probably not going to take you any longer than about 20 minutes. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is after you've taken notes, on the video, you're going to answer the comprehension questions, which are in module 2. Okay, I hope it's okay that I use Word. I can put it in PDF if you students would prefer that. You just answer the questions that will help you write the summary. I'm not going to go through all the questions, but try to answer the questions in complete sentences like, why did Kim learn Arabic? She learned Arabic because blah, blah, blah. What is challenging about learning Arabic, according to Kim? What is challenging about learning Arabic is that blah, blah, blah. Make sure each sentence is complete. Okay. And then exercise 2, you're going to get ready to write a summary. And the way that I do that is to begin with these steps. Use the 5-finger method, which means to ask and answer the 5 WH questions: who, what, where, when, and why. And don't forget to include the title and the presenter of the video in the first sentence. Okay, so it should read as Learning a Second Language which is presented by Shinyoung Grace Kim, discusses how or why. It could be discusses why, it could be how, but it's not going to be both. It's either how or why. Okay, plus subject plus verb. Step 2, tell how Kim begins her TED Talk. Step 3, explain the most important point, which Kim explains. Step 4, if there's another point which she brings up, add it to your summary. She suggests that. Tell how Kim ends her talk. And step 5, after you write your summary on paper, read the sentences out loud, making sure they communicate only the highlights or the most important points of this TED Talk. Step 7, get ready to type your summary. Okay, and by the way, before that, you might want to take a 15-minute break. All right, just to clear your mind before you start typing your summary. Don't forget to do all these good things like writing your first and last name in the left-hand corner. Under your name, write the instructor's last name, blah, blah, blah. Under the instructor's last name, write ESL 192. Under ESL 192, write today's date. Okay. Step 8, on the next line, write the title of this assignment. Okay, that's an example. Center the title of your summary. Step 9, indent 5 spaces to begin the first paragraph. Step 10, indent 5 spaces for the first sentence of your summary paragraph. Step 11, type the summary sentences which you wrote on paper. Print what you wrote. Step 13, take a 15-minute break again and do whatever you want to relax. Step 14, return to your summary and read it out loud, making sure that you have included the main idea of the TED Talk and the most important points, the highlights. Don't forget to edit the grammar. Use third person s on the ends of verbs like discuss, discusses, begin, begins, explains, shows, and concludes. Step 15, save your summary using your first name summary video and submit it on Canvas. And have a nice night.